I feel kind of deflated myself.
Oh, it's starting to rain now.
Bienvenue and welcome to the adventures of Timmy Leger.
This summer's forecast looks like a full send for adventure as I travel 8,000 kilometers across the country on my bike to raise funds for children's cancer research and care and water development in Africa. This is the most recent on the adventure. Alright, good morning and welcome to the life of a bike tourer. Tent because it's raining outside. Oh, and I had to fix my tire because coming in yesterday the tire blew because of that bulge that was coming through that crack. I was going to fix it here, but it said to blow, so I lost the tube. But I'm going to properly repair this one. Let me show you the damage. There's a slit through the sidewall of the tire. So it's actually a tire repair, not a tube repair. Alright, so for those of you who are interested, I'm doing a super Jimmy rig right now to kind of patch up and stop the overflow of the inside tube to like push out, make a bubble outside the crack. I put a patch earlier, like 4 days ago, and it was still pushing through even the patch, I believe. So I have this yay thick piece of rubber just from like a phone mount on the bike that I wasn't using, and inside the wheel, bang, and hope. Alright, so this is flat number 2. Finally. Honestly, after this whole break here, this whole puncture and deflation, I feel kind of deflated myself. Honestly, with anything that happens, I'm just finally starting to realize that there's always one thing you can be happy about. No matter what. Like right now, like this many things are going right. This many things are going wrong. Like my knee's done. I didn't get to where I wanted to yesterday because of the wind. The tire blew. My patch earlier wasn't good. I had to make a new one. But like, all that's given me experience in like how to more efficiently doing bike maintenance. It's teaching me like responsibility, diligency. Diligence, not diligency. But you know what I mean? Like, that's kind of what I'm learning today. And the sun's shining. Honestly, that's one of the things to be thankful for. Even if it was raining, like, I'm just living a great day today. I'm just trying to tell myself that, you know? And it's weird because, like, especially today, I realized that I'm so much a social person. I mean, I try to hang out with one dude, but like, yeah, we're gonna try to have a drone war with him. It didn't really work out. So yeah, anyway, just make the best of every situation kind of thing is a lesson. Over and out, crazy day ahead because it might go into the night and have a real cold one tonight. 3 degrees apparently. So hopefully I survive. Hi. So I just spent way too long than I should have at cafe, just editing and trying to get some videos out. I'm gonna be biking into the night probably a bit to get where I want to get to. It's not a good thing, but very frustrating with my laptop right now. Alright fellers, let's see how long it takes for me to pack. Ready and go. Seconds. Seems legit. I was coming down the way, the main street. Oh, it's starting to rain now. I don't know if you can see that. Coming down the main street of Southbrook, and I saw this church. It's called Southbrook Pentecostal. So I said, hey, this house was awfully close next to it. And you can see my breath. This house looks awfully close. Maybe it's a pastor's house. If I go to talk to them, the pastor's son and daughter, and they're like, yeah, you can probably sleep in the back. We are here in the behind the church cookout. I don't want to say it like publicly or anything, but like whoever made this thing is a keeper. Look at this pesto, fresh balsamic pesto sauce, and it's raining tonight and tomorrow and hailing on Tuesday. So yeah.